Pete the cat, the first Thanksgiving. Pete was nervous about being a pilgrim in his class Thanksgiving play, the first Thanksgiving. "Just do your best," his best friend Callie said. "Happy Thanksgiving!" Pete said he would try. He was ready. His mom had even made him a pilgrim hat, which was really cool. Pete took his place at the front of the giant ship that his class had made out of cardboard. Pete was a pilgrim on the Mayflower. In 1620, a group of pilgrims decided to leave England for the New World to build a new life. It was a long, long trip on a big, big ship. All the pilgrims sang. The dream of a new start in a new world made the hard trip all worth it. For more than 2 months, the pilgrims sailed. They wondered if they would ever get there. After 65 days on the ship, the new world finally came into view. "Land ho!" Pete cried. All the pilgrims did a happy dance.